Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of your Instagram photos getting cropped and not showing up in their full glory, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to post full pictures on your Instagram account in 2025. With Instagram's latest updates, it's easier than ever to share your photos without any annoying cuts. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to your App Store, search for Instagram, and hit that update button. This is crucial because 2025 brings new features like enhanced AI cropping tools that help maintain your photo's original aspect ratio. Once you're updated, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select your photo from your gallery. Now, here's the key step. Before you hit next, look for the full view option in the editing tools. It's a new feature in 2025 that uses AI to detect and adjust your image so it fits perfectly without cropping. Tap it, and Instagram will automatically suggest the best fit. Swipe through the previews to see how it looks. Next, if you want more control, go to the Edit tab and use the Aspect Ratio slider. Set it to Original or Full Screen to ensure your entire picture is visible. Don't forget to add a caption, tags, and any stickers to make your post pop. Hit Share, and voila, your full picture is live for all to see. A few quick tips. If your photo still looks cropped, check your device settings for display compatibility, as different phones might handle resolutions differently. Also, for stories or reels, use the Expand feature in the story editor to avoid cuts. This way, your content always looks professional. There you have it, folks. Posting full pictures on Instagram in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.